I want to just kind of compare and contrast different areas of this roof to educate you on why you would need what type of repair. Notice up here on the wall, it's getting less exposure to the sun and less time that the water is actually sitting on it. This would just need a recoat. But this area down here, you can see, has been exposed to the sun, and some of these areas are cracking and peeling even more than others. The asphalt roof, which is actually in here, is now starting to deteriorate at a very rapid rate. And so what this needs to happen is scraping and cleaning this off. Then what we would do is take some crack and joint and seal it down over this area and then recoat on top of that. So this is a repair, then recoat type of situation. Okay, so now we're on a whole new different roof. There's more than half of this roof in this area that is cracking and peeling. When you get above more than half of the roof that's having this kind of deterioration and damage to it, you're now in a situation where it's not just simply a recoat. Because if you recoat it, probably in about a year or two, it's already going to start cracking and peeling again, and you're really just wasting your money at that point. What you want to have happen is a full restore. And so once again, all of this roof would need to be scraped, cleaned off, power washed, and then we would use the product 297, which is a primer sealant, and we would coat the entire thing over this entire area and then roll out 40-inch polyfiber fibers that basically hold that in place, give it tensile strength, and let it all set up and dry. And then once it's all set up and dry, we would apply 2 coats of Elastomeric. Okay, so I hope this video has been very informative and giving you security and understanding what your roof might need or not need. Now's the time to call before winter hits to get that free roof inspection and also to get a great deal and an extended warranty from us, backing up all of our work and products that we use.